I feel like we just were here. You know, like a few hours ago, we were live on the YouTube, but now we're back. I'm a prisoner. Oh, hold on a second. I got to put all my little goodies back up there. Oh, God, what is that, buddy? Oh, God, is everything else? Oh, now we're back. All right, now we're back. Hey, remember, people, you know, a lot of people think that, you know, you're not like, you got to stretch out your fingers. You know, it is a thing. Like, really, just spend some time getting those fingers stretched out, getting them ready. You know, crack that neck, roll it around, take a deep breath, breathe it in, get ready, baby. 5 minutes until power hour. Ginger got me some green tea. She got lucky that I liked it, because if I didn't like it, I would have thrown it back over there. What the fuck is this shit? We got some green tea over here. You know, she thought I could be a little healthier. Bullshit. What the fuck? Ain't nobody telling me how to live my life. All right, all right. Here we go. NASDAQ. Where are we at? So much for all those shorts today. So many shorts, so little time. I gotta stay high all the time. I was really excited, looking forward to Danny Trades coming back this morning and, you know, giving some type of explanation for how fucking retarded he is, but still nothing but crickets over there. I guess, you know, I don't know. The fact that we exposed everything that he did makes it hard. Makes it hard to come back from. All right, NASDAQ sitting right here below yesterday's close, that 848 level. We pushed above it earlier this morning. We pulled back all the way to the VWAP. We bounced off that 720 area. Tomorrow is CPI report. That's right, CPI. Don't ask me what that means. I have no idea. I think it has something to do with consumer protection inflation. Consumer product inflation, right? Stevie J got an Apex payout. Let's go. Let's go. Stevie J. I love it. A great name. What a great name. Stevie J. Consumer price index. No. Consumer product inflation. It cannot be the consumer price. No way. Consumer price inflation. It's one of those. Going into power hour the day before CPI report. What's going to happen? What is going to happen? Someone's ringing the door. Ding, 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 ding. Five-minute chart, we kind of broke out of this symmetrical triangle here with the Lux Algo indicator on the chart. This is the price action concepts indicator on the chart there that we've been using a lot lately. Been really liking that setup here. You can see basically it automatically detects this symmetrical triangle. Right now, we're right below the pivot point here. We got Monday's high, 890 area. Holy shit. Trading lover watching me from Mauritius. You know, I've been to Mauritius a few times, actually. How many times did we go to Mauritius? Twice? 2 times. Yeah, 2 times. We stayed, where did we stay at? One Eye, pretty much. What? Lemoore? Lemoore. Lemoore. Lemoore or Lemoore? Lemoore. Lemoore. Where are we going to go? Are we taking out the high today? Ooh. Well, we'll see. Power hour. Can we get some power in the hour? Can you explain what the 350 algoro is? Well, the 350 algorithm. Let's explain it. Basically, at 350, 350 every day, you have a thing called on market on close. Right? Market on close orders. So basically at 350, all of the orders that are marked to close before the end of the day, they start to hit the books. So people start selling or buying if they're short, whatever it is. And, well, they're closing out the position. Market on order close, right? I think it's called MOC. MOC, right? Fucking A. I went on Webster. If you go on Webster, MOC means moccasin. Not very helpful. All right, I'll figure it out again. All right, here we go. I got the answer for you. This song right now is going off. What is happening to this song right now? So the purpose of the MOC order is to get the last available price of that trading day. MOC orders are not available in all markets or from all brokers. MOC orders must be received at the New York Stock Exchange by 3:50 unless entered into an offset, a published imbalance. So basically, end of day orders looking to get closed out. And, well, that's the MOC. Very simple. Not too wild. This song right now is wild. Too much, too much. There we go. We're back. Can the NASDAQ get above that 850 area there next? Back above that gap fill. The close from earlier, 870 up there. Chart Addy. Wish me luck, PW. I have a competition tomorrow. A competition for what? What are you competing? I'm using the standard pivot points. Standard pivot points here. Right now, 847 area there. That high from earlier up there, 874. Patrick is Euro poor with Euro poor taste in music. Well, I guess it could be worse. It could be Danny Trades. And that would be much worse. I will take any day being Euro poor. Nick Garner, your music is loud. You should come to the BDH. It's a lot louder in here. I can't even hear you right now. What'd you say? What'd you say? See, I have no fucking idea what you just said. Bernardo, what's with all of the X beef? We got nothing. Basically, the story is a little tiny man or child thought that he was gonna come at me, and well, he found out really quickly. If you fuck around with PW, you're gonna get the fucking horns, boy. You better, if you're gonna come at PW, you better fucking come correct. You know, you better fully come correct, because you're gonna get it. And I'm like a fucking rabid dog. Once I get a hold of you, I ain't letting go. One time, actually, funny story. Speaking of rabid dogs, I had a sheep, right? A sheep, you know, like a lamb. Growing up, I had a lamb. And the lamb got attacked by my dog. So my dog attacks the lamb, fucking blood everywhere. The best part is the fucking dog just would not let loose. I'm like holding on to the lamb. I'm like, Dad! I'm probably like, I don't know, fucking, how old was I? Like 12, 13. I'm like holding on to the head of the lamb. The dog's biting the back of the lamb. It's like it's like out of like, you know, National Geographic. And my dad, he runs out. He's punching the dog in the head. He's just punching him in the head. And that dog would not let loose. And that's my spirit animal today. That's pretty much me at this point. I'm like that goddamn dog. Once I get the blood, I get the taste of blood, it's over. I'm like a rabid animal. Basically, this is where it all started. Danny wrote on Twitter that if he saw me, he said, if I saw Wieland, his funeral would be held the next day. I don't know if that's like a death threat or if that's like what that means, but I take it personal. If you want to make threats online, you want to come at me, well, I'm going to bring down the full force of the BDH on top of your ass. Don't fuck around because you're going to find out, boy. Don't fuck around because you're going to find out. What happened with Rips at Top Step? Well, I would tell you exactly where Rips is going to go, but I can't tell you just yet. I already know. I already know what prop firm Rips is going to be trading with. I won't break the news just yet, but I know. He's not going to be trading with Top Step anymore. I wonder why. He's going somewhere else. Uh-oh. No offense, Patrick. Why do you dislike Danny so much? I don't think I dislike Danny. You think I dislike Danny? Wait, you're telling me that you think I dislike Danny? Wait, hold on. You're telling me that I dislike Danny? That's what you think? You think I dislike him? Nah. I love the kid. He's so fucking retarded. He makes my life so fun. Yesterday, Danny wrote, listen up. Let's cut through the noise about Patrick Wieland once and for all. You want to talk facts? Here they are. Danny trades real money live every single day. His results speak for themselves. He did a live login. That's as transparent as it ever could get. Every trade, every login streamed live on YouTube. No smoke and no mirrors. This is what he wrote yesterday, by the way. I didn't write this. He wrote this. And well, he said no smoke and no mirrors. But if you look at his actual P&L, you quickly see that he makes no money. He has a negative 200 expectancy. And what really makes it great is if you watch the video that he made showing everybody how honest he is and how transparent he is, well, it'll say demo. Yeah, I think I have a good reason to not like little Danny. You know, little Danny, if you're going to come at you, like I said, come correct. Come correct, little boy. Because daddy going to get you. Imagine writing on Twitter and telling the whole entire world that you always trade real money and you showed everything and you're super transparent. And then 5 hours later getting caught not being transparent. Imagine that, just imagine. Right now we are waiting for the NASDAQ to make a move. See if we get a little pullback here. We kind of like that momentum to the upside, but maybe pull back here like 815 area or so. The best part is, like I said, Danny Trades runs a Discord while also running a prop firm, while also teaching people how to day trade. I'm not good at math, but the math ain't mathin'. So you teach people how to make money, but the only way that you make money is if they lose. I'm confused. I'm very, very confused. The best is this morning, all of his followers were very upset. No Danny again today? Damn. Why even send the schedule? It says he should have been here 45 minutes ago. What's the point? Literally, why set expectations? Oh, people are upset because they're paying for Danny's alerts. But little do they know that our little friend Danny doesn't actually make any money trading. Poor little guy. Like I said, if your expectancy is $200, that means you don't make money. Zero. Danny showed up at 12 p.m. and said he was told to not go live. Yeah, no shit. You think Jay Dunn wanted him to go live after he fucking got caught already, basically being a fraud? Would not be a good look, like he would only make himself look like a bigger fucking moron. He said this morning he was going to have representatives from Trade-Evate. Trade-Evate representative was going to come on the phone and tell everybody how legitimate Danny Trades is. Right now, looking here, just kind of waiting. Everybody in the chat like freaking out about, Patrick, put a trade on. Well, let's see what happens here. Relax, people. We broke out of this triangle here. We've got this kind of like Monday high up there, 892. We do have CPI report tomorrow. Maybe we pull back a little bit more here into like the 800 again. Nothing like out of the ordinary here, like in terms of action. The ES pushed up all the way up there to that 98 level. We talked about this area earlier today. Getting through this, right? That resistance that was there on the hourly chart, we pushed up, we got through that. Will the NASDAQ continue? Patrick, can you show your expectancy? Yes, I can. No problem. Would you like to see it? Would you like to see it? I could hide it from you if you want. There you go. Okay, so this is my Tradeify account. This is today. My expectancy was $200. We locked in $500 across all those accounts because I only need to make $3,000. It's I just got a payout with Tradeify, blah, 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 whatever. Long story short, right? Go here. Yes, this is sim funded, so it will say demo over there. It's a funded account, but you can still see my expectancy because here we go. Let's just do this quarter, right? Starting at the beginning of this year. My expectancy is only $100, which we've talked about before. You know, I basically trade with a 1-to-1. But again, 105 expectancy, my gross P&L 28,000. So the key here is focusing on what? Focusing on the fact that my expectancy is not negative. You cannot be profitable if your expectancy is negative. Do you have a trade open right now? I don't know. You tell me. What do you think? What should we do with your P&L? You fuck us. Hey, are you talking? Are you fantasizing? Stop fantasizing, boy. I'm waiting to see what happens to this 15-minute candle. Not a very pretty 15-minute candle right now. Just kind of we broke out to the upside. We were right there below that. This is the close from the close from yesterday. Today is only Tuesday. I said Friday, but the close from Tuesday there. We're holding up there above the VWAP. We broke out of this triangle as well. So we broke out of the triangle. We got Monday's high up there, 890 level. Tommy is here. Patrick got bagged on stream yesterday. What are you talking about? What's that guy talking about? What's that guy talking about? Who's that guy? What's that guy talking about? What's that guy talking about? What is he talking about? Oh. What's that guy talking about? This 15-minute candle about to close right here. Just not a very sexy setup right now. These power hours have not been very eventful. Every time I go live stream for a power hour, I have not had one good day yet. Like good price action. Normally I would never trade in the afternoon, but you know, I do it for you guys. BDH, baby. BDH. hydrogen water is so good for you. Look it up, PW. Yeah, I can't do everything, man. You know, I don't want to live forever anyway. That's why I drink liquid death, because I want to die. Oh, Lord. How was Chipotle earlier? I didn't go Chipotle, actually. There you go. Liquid death and creatine gummies. All you need, baby. Super gummies. The gummies of the super people. Nom, 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 nom. Hear this music right now, not the vibe. Well, we're dipping down here again. VWAP is down there at the 785s. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. We just don't do what we did yesterday, or we just went sideways for an hour here. We got 45 minutes till market closes. Patrick Wieland needs to lose weight. Okay. God. Hey, PK, I can only imagine how fucking butt-ass ugly and fat your fucking wife is. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I wouldn't touch your wife with a 10-foot pole. That's how fat and nasty I am. Because your wife's even fat and nastier. I can only imagine. God. Patrick, you're fat. You got me. Patrick, did ICT pay you? No. What is the book? Right here, Funded Futures, the book. I can read a little excerpt from it. So inside the book, let's say you're eyeing the breakout above 50. You see support at 48. Where's your stop go? Not at 49, not at 49.50, at 48. Because if it breaks that support, your whole idea is toast. Master the art of stop losses, and you've mastered one of the most crucial skills in trading. Ignore them, and you might as well hand your money over to the market, because trust me, it'll take it one way or another. In this game, defense is just as important as offense. And your stop loss, that is your first line of defense. Wow. Wow. It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, that was one sentence from the book. Relax, people. God. Never happy. Never happy. Woo!
Papa Patrick, play steps by Jeremy Orlander.
Jeremy Orlander. Mario, it's got surfing, fishing, and trading all in one book. When I wrote the book, I was like, man, I want a book that's about life and fishing and surfing and trading. That's all you need. You need to go fishing to catch money. You need to go fishing to catch some food. You got to go surfing to get high. And you got to fucking make some money to have a good time. That's all you need right there, my friends. Those three things. The keys to life. The keys to life. And the cars. Get a car. Make your life happy. Why are you killing innocent animals? How do you eat? What do you eat? You don't eat animals? I love it. People are like, Patrick, I can't believe you kill fish. Like, I can't believe you kill the fish. I can't believe you kill fish, Patrick. I'm like, have you ever ate a fish sandwich? Well, yeah, but I didn't kill the fish. I'm like, oh. Somebody did, you fucking idiot. Oh, God. All right, this is starting to percolate here. We could get pushing through here now. Let's see. We put in a little bit of a kind of a higher low trying to get this push. Will we start to crank it up? Trying to see if there's any like...
Does THTA Lambo goes vroom vroom VARON?
That's what it sounds like, actually. It sounds like... like that. That's exactly what it sounds like. Patrick, out of all the indicators I've used, I've come to love the stochastic. Why do I not use it? I don't even know how to pronounce it. If I don't know how to pronounce the indicator, I don't use it. That's not personal. It's just I don't even know. Stochastic. If I can't pronounce the name of the indicator, I ain't gonna use it. That's why I only use the VWAP, because I only can say VWAP. VWAP. Right now, VWAP down there, 789s. We're either gonna fucking push up here or we're gonna start to move down again. There you go, 50-50 chance. We got CPI report tomorrow. Don't get too excited today. I don't really know what's gonna happen here, but taking a look at the ES as well. ES is kind of just holding on right up at the highs. ES is, I feel like, are looking a little bit better. Yeah, I feel like the ES is looking a little bit better for continuation. Patrick, why do you use the previous day close?
Trader saluting face.
Salute. Previous day close is very important to know that level. Know the level, love it, adopt it, believe in it. Patrick, how much money did you lose before becoming profitable? Millions. Absolutely. I don't really know. People ask me that all the time. I don't have like an exact number. I don't really remember, to be honest. I try to forget about it. But yeah, I mean, I definitely lost a lot of money before I found any type of consistency.
Left out another necessity poontang.
Left out another necessity poontang. I don't know if this, I think this new chat thing is really going to get me rich here. Just $1.99 every time somebody does a shout out. Before you know it, I do this 1,000 times a day. That'll be $2,000. And then I'll be able to buy more books. And then I can sell more books. What are my thoughts on the bear flag? I don't see the bear flag yet. Let's see the chop. VWAP down there, 787s. 794, the low of these candles. That 15-minute candle right there, just not very sexy. she's dipping downtown once again. Oh! I mean, pretty much, you know, VWAP sitting there at the 80s. Maybe we move down to the VWAP there, end of day. Close at the VWAP.
Following you daily, and thanks to President Trump for supporting Israel. Much love to the USA from Israel.
Worldwide, baby. We're worldwide around here. Patrick, YouTube doesn't notify me when you go live. Yeah, they don't want me to get more people watching. They don't want us to win, people. The YouTube algorithm trying to keep us down. Them liberals are trying to keep us down, fam. Don't let them. Make sure you keep tuning in. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Doesn't notify. Wow. What's up with Danny Trades? What's the beef? Not really any beef at all. I think it's just putting the boy in check. That's all. Gotta keep people in check. You know, when they start running their mouth, we put them in check. We let them know, you know, really nicely, like, hey, you're gonna fuck around. You're gonna find out, my friend. All right, we got the ES pulling back here into that moving average right there on the 5-minute chart. We're below the 21 on the ES, on the NASDAQ. ES is 2-minute chart below it. 5-minute chart, we were bouncing right off it there. You see how the ES is bouncing, NASDAQ's both bouncing here. Trying to find some support there, but NASDAQ just kind of grinding lower here into the close. We still got about 30 minutes till market closes. How much do you look at divergences? I'm not obsessed with them, that's for sure. I like to see the NASDAQ and the ES both going in the same direction at least. Patrick, what do you think about Ross Cameron? I've already talked about Ross Cameron enough. I think he's like every other influencer. You know, it's the biggest problem like with being an influencer is like if you make $1 million selling your course, or you make $1 million with your Discord or whatever it is, like you just don't have the same mental issues that a normal person would have, right? Like if you are a normal person and you don't have $1 million from your Discord, it might be a little bit more difficult to make money trading. But if you make $1 million a month from your Discord, then you might not care if you lose trading. So you can trade with a different with a different mindset. You know? Is Tim Sykes legit? No. What are my favorite props? I'd say take Profit Trader, Apex, and Tradeify right now. The 3 top firms for me that I'm using. We got some other stuff coming out as well. We got the FFN. Who else we got? I got a FFN. Is there anybody else? That's pretty much everybody right now. The good thing is, honestly, right now for traders, being a trader, probably like this is the best time ever to be a trader because there's so many prop firms out there and they're all competing to have the best deals, to get the most clients, you know, so really it is the best time, I think, to be a trader because you really do have such an opportunity with all of the benefits right now. Look at the NASDAQ just like doing all kinds of, look at this. Ugh. This power hour is no power in this hour. The problem is, like, if I short right here, I know what's going to happen. It's going to reverse and go straight up. If I get long, it's going to crash to the VWAP. So either way, I'm fucked. And in those situations, I like to just avoid it. Besides yourself, let's say today you are retiring. Who would you suggest your followers take up as a new mentor? Just quit trading if I quit. If I quit trading, you should quit too. That's probably your best advice. If I quit, you should quit. Oh, baby. NASDAQ is going nowhere right now. We went from pretty much when we started the stream, we were at 820, now we're at 808. Patrick, who is the second best trader on YouTube? I don't fucking know. I don't really look at anybody else, to be honest. I mean, Nutty Bar is pretty cool, I guess. Nutty Bar, Alpine Trader. There's people out there. People said, see, like, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, now this thing's just ripping up here. Look at the ES. ES just ripping up right now. I guess we got Trump talking at 3:30 or something. Market was pulling back, letting Trump talk. Hey, Patrick, is there a 350 algorithm today? Yes. There's a 350 algo at every day, Monday through Friday. Not on Sundays, but every other. Yeah, no, there's. It's real. It's real. It's a real thing. ES is pushing 6,100 on the ES. That kind of next key level. We had a high earlier there on the ES at the 98s. NASDAQ still kind of just sitting down here, not really doing much. We're only about, what, 20 points, 30 points away from that 45 level. Right? So we're just chopping around right here at this area right now. So need some type of break to the downside, break to the upside to get something happening. Do you like trades by Matt? I don't really have anything against trades by Matt. I don't know if I like love him, but he's cool. I got nothing against him. How many years have you been trading? 8 years now. 8 years. And the NASDAQ just dipping down here, like I said, kind of needs to like do something, maybe bounce off the VWAP down there at the 87s would make sense. right? 87 bounce maybe. Still just grinding lower here. Not really much you can do unless you want to try to get short for a move down to the 80s maybe. I don't know. It's not ideal. Not ideal. What if I expand? Fire spell. I read on Discord that you and Trades by Matt were in a relationship. Yes. We are boyfriends. And then he left me and got married to a woman. I can't believe it. I was heartbroken. Very heartbroken. All right, NASDAQ just dipping on down here. There's the VWAP coming up, 86s now. Fuck. She don't want it. She wants that VWAP, she said. You little naughty NASDAQ. I like to call the NASDAQ naughty NASDAQ. Y'all know about naughty NASDAQ? What y'all know about naughty NASDAQ? What you know about it? What you know about that naughty NASDAQ? We got some deals going on here. Some deals with Lux Algo. I don't know if it's still going on, actually. 40% off if you use the code PW. There's your pullback. Look at this thing. Fucking A. Right to the VWAP now. 787s. Took out this higher low right here now, so will that be enough to get the party started? Be the party started here. Yeah. Right into the VWAP there. The power over me. Still going lower, dipping and dipping. Fucking A. This is one of those moments where you're like, look at the chart and you're like, God damn it, why did I not get short? And then you're also like, fuck, you know, like, sucks. Sucks. God, now it is really going. NASDAQ just dumping here, down to the 60s. Am I gonna start looking for sells? I mean, not at this point. Fucking A. Can't really just short because we're going lower. Gotta be patient here, my friends. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Now it's gonna squeeze back up there. FOMO is real. The FOMO is real. I want the FOMO. Or I don't want the FOMO. I got the FOMO. Something like that. I don't know. I got too much FOMO. So we're below the VWAP right here. We're going to just continue selling is the question. I feel like we're going to go up here. Right? I mean, I feel like this would be the perfect spot to basically trap all the shorts here. Push it right back up there to the 21,800s, maybe. I don't fucking know. Possibly. We get back above the VWAP here, things could start to push, especially with the ES trying to, was kind of like looking like it wanted to push there as well, but looks like it's a trap. We got 6 minutes here till MOC. It's the perfect trap. The perfect trap here. We're just in this big range overall. CPI report tomorrow. CPI report. Sitting there right at the VWAP. We get above this 88 level and then maybe back up there to 800s. I'm not a very big fan of like shorting. Like if I was like, I don't really love like shorting into this like big wick there on the bottom of that candle. Right? Here on the NASDAQ. Like if I shorted this like into this area, it's just like, I just feels like such a trap. It just feels like a trap. It looks like a bear flag. You're not wrong, but it's just not like the fact that we basically have like this big wick kind of on the bottom there. I don't know. I feel like it wants to like kind of trap up in here more. Zach, bro, you don't like my breath? All good, bro. I got you. VIP room, no breath needed. No breath needed. Got you, baby. No breath needed. How much of your trading strategy would you include your trading intuition that you have built? Well, you know, trading is just numbers. You know, I don't really like have a strategy. Like most of the time, I don't even look at the chart. I just, you know, I get in, I get out. It's just that easy, really. Just that easy. Trend change on the 5-minute chart. Pay attention. Oh, fuck. The trend has changed. I'm paying attention now. Thanks for you telling me in the chat. We got 3 minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 255 likes here on the stream. We got to get more likes, people. The fuck are y'all doing? Literally, what are y'all doing right now? What are you all doing out here? $2,000 people watching now. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. The biggest, the largest. For power hour. We got 3 minutes here until the 350 algorithm kicks in. You know what that means? Y'all know what that means? Open your eyes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What is the 350 algorithm? Well, you're about to find out here in 2 minutes. Get ready. 2 minutes, my friends. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Stay with me. Breath. Take my breath. What do y'all think? Up or down here? Up or down? Up or down? A lot of ups. A lot of ups. I like the up. I like the up idea, but we'll see. We'll see if those ups get paid. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 350 algorithm. Do something. I told you I wanted to go up. Nobody believes me ever. Why does nobody ever believe me? Chat, why don't you ever believe me? Chat never believes me. Never. Every time I tell the chat that it's going to go up, they never believe me. It was just too perfect of a trap. Just too perfect of a trap there. Stopped out all those shorts now down at the bottom. Classic. Just classic. Classic trading right there. Probably just gonna chop around here now. The music sucks, baby dollhouse. Cool. People think that I like give a fuck. You know, like it's easy. I got VIP tickets for everybody. I will give VIP tickets to everyone. Who wants to go to the VIP? I'll send you a first class ticket to the VIP, baby. It don't hurt me. It don't hurt me. What is the 350 algorithm? Is it only at 350? The questions that we get. Patrick, what is the 350 algorithm? Does it only happen at 350? Oh God, I can't. I can't. I literally cannot. I just can't help myself. I literally cannot help myself. Patrick, do you know what time the market closes? Does it always close at 4 o'clock? Well, on holidays, sometimes it closes earlier, but most of the time it normally closes at 4. And normally the 350 algorithm also, you know, only happens at 350 every day. But sometimes it also happens at 355. Don't ask me what time power hour is, because I got no idea. I got no idea what time power hour is. That right there is it's a myth. Ain't nobody know what time power hour starts. Patrick, how do you use a trend line? Well, the best thing to do is you kind of want to like put a line, right? And then like go like that, basically. It's just simple math, really. You know, it's just numbers. You know, I don't really have a strategy. I just buy and then I sell for the numbers, man. Every day. Well, NASDAQ going absolutely nowhere. Tomorrow is the CPI report. Tomorrow is the CPI report. We'll see what happens. See what happens. Top step is long at the 780s, so it's obviously got to crash now. This might be a good spot to get short at. goes, dumping down. They got their stop at the 771s, or at least the person on the stream right now has a stop there. That's going to get taken out. 771 stop. Oh, God. Tell me that's not going to get touched. Tell me that stop's not going to get touched, boys. There's a 355 algorithm. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, buddy. Watching these fucking idiots on Top Step TV, just literally, it's amazing. Well, there you go. They're stopped out at 771. Who would have thought? The best is they got a guy on Top Step TV right now. His Express account is in the negative $700. Today he's down $60. Going great. It's going great for them. Now that it stopped him out, it's going to pop back up. Classic. Dude, no way. No way. No way. He got back in long. He got back in. Let's go. Fuck yeah. Now it's time to go lower again. Are you in a trade? No trade. It's not worth it. This price action right now is just chop city. Trying to stay out of it. It's just not worth it. You know? Don't go chasing waterfalls, people. It's just not worth it. I'm going to keep my $2,500. I took a $15,000 payout with Tradeify today. And now I've got to work on getting 10 more days. I got to make $3,000 in those accounts. And then, well, we'll be where we're at, where we want to be. Where we want, what we'll want to be. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to get a live account with Tradeify because I talked to Brett Simba and he was talking to me about what they have coming. They got some new stuff coming out with their live accounts, and I think it's a pretty good deal. This is my stats right now. If you've never tuned into my channel, my name is Patrick Wieland. And well, as you can see, this is not Photoshop. This is real. Don't worry. We don't need to take, 3 days to show you my broker statement. I can show you my broker statement right here. 21 days of green. The green continues. My goal is to get to 30 days. We got 9 more days, baby. 9 more days. 9 more days. How can you be up when you were playing long here? Who played long here? I know play no long here.
On average, how many years do you think it takes for a trader to be consistently profitable? What's the number one thing you would have done sooner?
What would I do sooner? I will tell you. There's my password. Perfect. Look at that, it was blocked out. What would I do? I'll answer this question because it's a good question. You gave me $5 for it. What would I do sooner? Honestly, the biggest thing I would do is trade futures. When I first started trading, I traded penny stocks and options and just all kinds of random shit. But I think the biggest thing for a new trader to focus on is don't focus on making money, right? Like don't worry about making money when you first start. All you should be worried about as a new trader is just like getting into trades, getting out of trades, trading with small size, and build it up. Like it's not a race. You don't have to learn how to day trade in one day. You don't have to make $100,000 in one day. I know there's influencers out there that'll tell you that they made $100,000 in one day, but what they won't tell you is how they lost $300,000 the day before. You know, like, cool, you made $100,000 in one day, but how much money did you lose the day before? You know, how much money did you lose the last week? So, you know, ask questions. Think about that kind of shit. You know, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. You know, if you're a guru just can't simply show you his broker statements, if he simply can't show you the payouts, if he makes excuses, you know, if he makes excuses, then there's probably something to be said about that. He's making excuses for a reason. It's not hard to show you the breakdown. Like I said, you can see all my trades today. It's all there. Bang. You know, it doesn't take me any time to show you guys. So ask him. Ask your mentor to show you the trade, to show you the fucking breakdown. If they don't show you, well, then I promise you the breakdown don't look too good. Think about that, right? That's one thing to think about. As an influencer, does it not benefit influencers to show you, you know, like how profitable they are? Yeah, it does, right? Like if you're a day trader and you teach people how to day trade or whatever it is, like would it not be good for you if you can prove that you can actually day trade? Right? Like that would be good. Like it would help you. Like you would make more money because you would sell more courses and everything else, like a Discord and all that. So if your guru isn't showing you, that's probably because he doesn't actually make money. Right? Like that's just the truth. Like ICT, for example. ICT loves to talk about how good he is at trading. If you're so good, why don't you show us? Why don't you show the payouts? Why don't you show all the money you're making? Oh, because you don't care? That's my favorite. My favorite is when gurus say that they don't care about showing the profits. That it doesn't matter. It's not about their profits. It doesn't matter, you know? It doesn't matter about their profits. Because it's about your profits. You know, that's what they say. You could be like,
it's less about strategy. You know, sometimes I hop on the trades and I don't even chart. You know, I just do what I feel I want to do. It's a numbers game. You know, long, short, between 5 seconds, I come out on top because I know and I understand that it's a numbers game. You know, and that's how you're gonna win. That's how you're gonna get on top. You know,
if your guru tells you that it's a numbers game and he doesn't actually have a strategy, that he doesn't even use charts, well, then your guru might be lying to you. Because if you actually look at your guru's P&L, guess what? It's not a numbers game. It's just a unprofitable strategy, right? That's the truth. The truth is that it's not about numbers. It's just about the fact of like, hey, you don't actually make money. As we see here, Danny Trades tried to show the world that he made $300,000 this year, right? That was his big flex. He wanted to show everybody. So he made a video, but he forgot to basically, you know, Photoshop the point where it shows that he isn't actually making any money because his expectancy is negative $200 with a 51% win rate. So basically, he is 1% better than just flipping a coin. You know, it's just he's 1% more accurate than flipping a fucking coin. Think about that. Like you could literally flip a coin and probably make more money than Danny does. Is it the truth? Well, I mean, this is his stats. It's his video. He made the video. You know, he made the video, not me. You know, did he forget to, you know, Photoshop out the point where it said demo trades or demo account? I mean, nobody forced him to make a video proving that he made 300,000, but he went on his own. He spent 3 days making this video, but he forgot that Patrick Wieland's the biggest, the largest. I'm going to find the bullshit. He forgot to edit out one little single frame, one frame of the whole video. And it just ruined his whole entire fucking argument. His whole argument of Patrick Wieland is a scam. But little did he know, You know, he said, Patrick, if I ever saw Wieland, his funeral would be the next day. I don't know, man. Hey, guys, you want to see? Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, wow, let me reload it, you know, just show you guys. Look at 130,000 over a 21-day period with a 74% win rate with a profit factor of 2.3. Does it work? I mean, I think so. I don't know. You know, I don't know. I don't know what Danny's doing, but clearly he ain't making money. There it is. So much for showing the world how he was gonna fucking, you know, oh, you're gonna show the world. I'm gonna show the world. This is the best. He literally posted this. He said he's going to be owed a lot of apologies and potentially a lot of money in defamation. Right? That's what he posted yesterday. And then the best is they said, make them eat their words, Danny. They're going to look bad. Hey, chat, do I look bad today? Hey, chat, do I look bad? Do I look bad? Is it me or is it him? You know, who is it? Who looks more bad? I don't think I look bad today. I don't know. I mean, I might be, you know, my ego might be big, but I don't think I look bad by any means. And then this is my favorite. Listen up, motherfuckers. Let's cut through the noise about Patrick Wieland once and for all. You want to talk about facts? I trade real money live every single day. My results speak for themselves. You accused me of paper trading, and I did a live login. As transparent as it gets. To show you I'm up 300,000. Starting balance from this year of 25,000. Every trade, every login streamed live on YouTube. No smoke and no mirrors. Uh-oh. The smoke and mirrors got you, motherfucker. I mean, imagine writing this. Imagine literally writing that on Twitter and telling everybody that no smoke and mirrors. Imagine. I'm still mind blown. Like, how dumb could you fucking be? Listen up. Let's cut through the noise. I'm dying. I'm fucking dying right now. I'm dying. I'm dying, boys. It's fucking comedy. Everybody, I don't trade with no smoke and mirrors. Look at my account balance. Look at it. No smoke, no mirrors. I'm just kidding. Check this out. Somebody asked about my take profit account. This is one of my funded take profit accounts. I took a payout. Right, I took the $18,000 payout. So we started this account February 3rd. All right, we started that account February 3rd. First day, 9,000. The next day, I think we made like 1,000. And the next day, we made almost 9,000 again. Made a small profit there. We requested a payout and took an $18,000 payout out of that account. That was 5 accounts. And well, you know, hey, haters gonna hate, but guess what? Patrick Wieland's gonna get paid. That's all it comes down to. We're here to make money, and well, sometimes we got to make fun of the morons on the internet that are just absolutely just it's. I feel bad, honestly. I feel bad because like Danny is that fucking dumb. He tried to come at me to expose me while exposing himself. I've seen a lot of dumb things on the internet. I have. I've seen a lot of really dumb things, but that right there, my friends, that takes the fucking icing. You know, that takes the motherfucking icing on the cake. You know, like you literally can't make this shit up. Like if it was a movie, it would be a comedy. Like we'd be laughing, you know, like you can go and see, like I posted, look at I got my payouts in my bank account, 52,000. from Take Profit Trader. Apex, 40,000. What is that? That's Tradeify. Tradeify, 15,000. We took a $15,000 payout with Tradeify as well. Another $15,000 payout with Take Profit Trader. I don't know. It seems pretty real. It's in my bank account. So, not a bad way to start the year. Up over $100,000 here trading prop firms. I'll take it. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully the CPI report goes to, well, tomorrow's 8:30 in the morning. CPI report. It's going to be wild. It's going to be crazy. And there he goes. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for, what's today? Tuesday, Wild Wednesdays. Wild Wednesdays tomorrow morning. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We are live in the BDH. And well, is your strategy good for live accounts or just prop firms? Just prop firms. It doesn't, no, don't ever trade, don't trade bull flags or bear flags in a live account. Whatever you do, don't do it. Okay, don't do it. Whatever you do not trade the bear flags and the bull flags. Don't do it. Jacob, you're struggling to take a flag out the 1 minute or the 2 minute. Wait for the 21-minute play it. It really just depends on the momentum in the market, my friend. If the momentum is strong, then you could take those 1 minute flags. If it's, you know, kind of chopping around, then take the 2 minute. It really just depends on the momentum. More momentum, the faster the market's moving, I go to a smaller time frame. The slower the market's moving, I go to a larger time frame. It's that simple. It's just numbers, you know? I don't even look at the chart sometimes. I just buy, I hold it for 5 seconds, and then I sell. Because you think about it, if you buy it at 89 and it goes to 800, fucking $1 million profit. It's $1 million profit in my $300,000 account. There it is. All right, I gotta go. My fucking brain hurts from trying to fucking talk to these idiots on the internet today and explain how the best is today. People literally still defending Danny. People are like, you don't understand. Danny's a really good trader. Danny's a good trader. Patrick, Danny's good. Just because he photoshopped the video and just because his expectancy is negative 200, he is a good trader. Patrick.